So you usually play like the good person, and what's it been like jumping in to play the villain on this?
Well, earlier in my career, 20 plus years ago, I played a lot of like bad movies, and but I haven't in the last. Most people, I did CSI for so many years, and most people associate it with that, in which I was a criminalist and solving crime and so on, and one can forget how much fun being, a bad girl is. And it's not just because you're playing other colors, it's also just because it's somewhat liberating in that you're not really having to play by a lot of rules anymore when you're, especially if you're playing somebody who's, who's on the police force and any kind of law enforcement. So it's been a lot of fun.
So this might be too spoilery. What is the deal with the dome?
What's the deal with them? Great question. And you'll find out by episode 13. No, that's true. You will find out by episode 13, but we don't even know yet. We're on episode 11 right now, and we won't find everything out until
a week before we film it. Yeah, we get them about as regularly as our audience watches the show.
Yeah.
Is that make it difficult, or do you enjoy that?
Both. It's difficult to get on top of things and you prepare as much as you possibly can, but at the same time it's fun taking the ride because you're seeing the twists and turns that the audience is seeing.
Yeah. So you were still in the dome. You were out of the dome for a while. So both of you are now having girl problems. So
these things happen.
So what's that been like trying to do the new dynamics between both of your characters and their girlfriends?
It's been fun. It's fun to switch things up, and fun for me to kind of not just play the typical hero all over again, to really let some of the bad side of Barbie hang out this year. But it will all come back around. But we'll ride out most of the season with that tension and the difficulty between Barbie and Julia.
So Barbie's got a better end of the deal here, I think. He's got two women fighting over him, and Joe's just trying to hold on to the one that he had. I think that I think that Joe is such a shy kid, and shy-natured, that this is really difficult for him to try to fight for Nori or to try to fight for what he wants. But I also think that through these past, in this season and a little bit in the last season, we've seen Joe really kind of grow up and take a step forward into being more of a leading man. And I think that when a leading man has this woman, he doesn't just let her go, does he? So we'll see how that plays out. But
last question, guys. Is there one thing or something as you've read the scripts, as you get new scripts, what has been the most shocking? I know there's been a lot of kind of crazy things that have happened. If you find one thing you always go back to, it's like, this is the moment that I was very shocked by, or I always go back to.
I'm always shocked by I love working with Britt Robertson. Going back, this is far back, but losing Angie reading that was like, no, that was crazy.
I still love the pilot. Slicing a cow in half was bold.
Yeah.
I'd love to be as bold again. It was fun. Thanks, guys.
Some of the things that have been shocking to me. One I've already played, and one I haven't played.
Good. It's going to be.
So we'll see how that goes. It was disturbing.
Oh, geez. Well, we look forward to it.
Thank you guys so much.